Hi everyone. For those who are new to my channel, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Silver. I'm 62 years old, going on 63. And basically why I started a YouTube channel was just to share and create memories for my grandchildren for when they grow up and I'm just a sparkle in their eye and a memory in their heart. They'll know how to garden. They'll know how to garden. They'll know how to raise chickens. They'll know how to farm. They'll know how to raise rabbits. And when you hit my age and you have a disability, in my channel, I'm trying to inspire you guys that no matter how old you are, no matter what kind of disability you have, you can still do what you want to do. I'm sitting down in my garden beds and my flower pots, or I should say garden pots, and I'm growing vegetables and I'm putting in irrigation systems all from my chair because I had a back injury, but I'm still doing it. I'm not going to give up. And I am growing herbs for my health and for my family's health. And that's important, is to become more self-reliant. And that's what my channel is all about. Becoming more self-reliant. Learning to grow your gardens and have your own fresh food that hasn't been shipped from 20,000 miles away. And all the chemicals that are on it. And raising your own chickens for eggs and meat, if that's what you're into. And just basically showing you that no matter what age, you can do it. I'm telling you, I am living proof you can do it. So if you like what I'm saying to you, hit the subscribe button. Hit the notifications, because Lord knows I have plenty more videos that are going to be coming your way. And I want you to get the notifications. And if you want, scroll back through all my old videos. I have over 200 videos. Some are good, some are bad. I'm new to this, but everybody has to start somewhere. And remember, even if you're doing it just for fun, you'll leave a legacy. You'll leave people to look back and say, you know, she did this and she did that. And I won't go on and on and on, because the Lord knows I can run my lip all day. But do it. And subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification. And I'll be seeing you on my next video. So excited. Alright, have a good day. And Lord knows, please be careful out there. It's a crazy, crazy world. Talk to you later.